if you want to start working for a mortgage company or even for Finovy Mortgage, do you need to be an expert at processing? No. Do you need to be a processor? Not necessarily. Do you need to know exactly how the processing side of the business works? No, but you're going to learn how to do it, because as a loan originator, to make loans close faster, you have to put a little bit of your effort or your time to make things flow and kind of get into motion. And if you, for example, you work for Finovy Mortgage, which is our company, we teach you how to go ahead and order certain documents just by clicking a few buttons, and you're going to take weeks in advance of saving a lot of the things that normally are ordered by a processor. That'll save you time and it'll increase your chances of closing the loan, because obviously the longer the loan takes, the less probable it is that the loan is actually going to close, because either the buyer or the sellers change their minds, things change, interest rates change, appraisal values change. So you want to make sure that you don't delay the loan process. And how do you do that? You take a more hands-on approach. And the most effective way of taking a hands-on approach is by knowing exactly what things you can request in advance and what things you can help out with. And that's what we do at Finovy Mortgage, and that's what you're learning now, or you're going to learn now in the course, that will save you time. Being able to order insurance, being able to order title, order the appraisal, ordering a verification of income in just a matter of a few clicks. Our course is efficient and fast, and that's what we try to do. We want to make sure that you get the most done in the least amount of time.